Jobs or occupations.
Rule 1. A job is a regular work, which a person does to earn money. Use job names as nouns. A farmer. A doctor. An engineer. A welder. A smith. An actor. A baker. A waiter. A barber. A teacher. A jeweler. Politicians. A fisherman. A glazer. A dancer.
A language learner.
A butcher. A firefighter. A vet. A carpenter. A miner. A referee.
Review of previous rules. Subject pronouns are used instead of a noun or noun phrase, refers to a person or thing in speech or writing. Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Rule 2. Use subject pronouns with to be, am, is, are, to say something about a person, thing, event, or state. I am. I am. I am Janet. I am a teacher.
We are. We are. We are minors. You are. You are.
You are a language learner.
You are. You are. You language learners.
He is. He is. He is Mr. Hanks. He is an actor.
She is. She is. She is Mrs. Royce. She is a doctor. It is. It is. It is a dog. It is white. They are. They are. They are referees.
Subject pronouns with to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are.